Hello friends and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about Backstock reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and Backstock is an online platform for the purchase of many different products from various feeds. The site also shows the membership plan for the customer as in the first plan, and there is going to be $19.95 for the standard members, and it will be a plan for the premium members for $29.95. So here you can take a look at the membership programs, and it is going to a method for $39.95 per month. So you will see the extraordinary benefits of each plan, and you can choose the plan as per your need or requirement. Now guys, let's talk about other information of this website. So I'm not able to view the payment information here, and the mode is online mode, so you can make the payment via online methods. And yes, talking about the section, just take a look here. So this is the about us section, and you can read the entire information for your knowledge. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, talking about the first factor, which is HTTPS connection. It is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. And coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 14th of July 2003, and it is 17 years, 2 months, 7 days old website, which shows that the website is a legit website. Now guys, let's take a look at the about us section. So yes, in this about us section, you'll find the information regarding this company, their mission, and a YouTube video. So guys, you can take a look here that the company have 2000 out of 5000 memberships available, and you can also purchase any program. Now let's take a look at the contact us information to know more about this. So guys, I'm not able to view a particular contact us section. So this is the contact us section here, but here you will find a query form and the contact number. And at the bottom of the web page, then you will also find the email address, which is service@backstock.com, and the email which is available on this page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Talking about the social media existence, the website has strong social media presence on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and etc. And guys, for the return and refund policy, customer service can be contacted to know more about it. It will totally depend on the policy of the return of the website. And if you want to read out the terms of service and privacy policy of this website, then simply click these options. And here is one more section, which is FAQ. So here you will find the information regarding the shipment and backstock authenticity. And guys, your order will be processed within 24 to 48 hours. You should receive a shipping confirmation within 3 to 5 days of your purchase. Now talking about the customer reviews, There is no availability of the reviews, but if the site's goodness is to be found, it is present in abundance on the internet. So yes, we can say this website is legit. And guys, do comment about your experience and refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. So in the final verdict, I would say backstock.com appears to be a legit website. And if you have some unrelated problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.